Hello everyone, Amrita here. Today I have come to share with you a story about a very special bird, cassowary, which is listed in the Guinness Book of World Records as the deadliest bird in the world. The name cassowary is derived from the Papua New Guinea word kazoo meaning horned and wary meaning head, which refers to the horn-like casque on the bird's head. Cassowaries are large black birds of ratite or flightless group like ostrich, emu, kiwi, etc. There are three types of cassowaries: southern, northern, and dwarf. Today, I will tell you about southern cassowary, which is the biggest among these three types. Southern cassowaries are found in Indonesia, southern New Guinea, and in northeastern Australia. This bird is the third tallest bird, around 5 to 6 feet, after ostrich and emu in the world. It is also known as double-wattled cassowary or Australian cassowary. Southern cassowaries are black, steep, and prickly plumage. Their face is light blue in color and they have a purplish blue colored long neck, two red wattles dangling from its throat. Each wattle is 7 inches in length. Their bill is blackish and very stout. Southern cassowary's special feature is its horn-like brown casque on the top of head, which is 5 to 7 inch high and made up of keratin. Experts say that this casque indicates their age as it continues to grow throughout bird's life. According to some research, this casque helps the bird to hear low vibrating sounds made by other cassowaries and also help to protect the bird's head as it pushes through dense rainforest and thicket scrubs. The southern cassowary's three-toed feet are very strong and powerful, fitted with fatal dagger-like claws. These claws are 5 inches in length. Both sexes are similar in appearance, but the female is dominant, larger than the male, with a taller casque and is brighter in color. Young cassowaries are browner than adults and have duller colored head and neck. The cheeks are striped yellow and black. Southern cassowary is the second heaviest bird in the world. Maximum they can be 85 kg weight. In average, an adult female is 58.5 kg and male 29 to 34 kg. Cassowaries are solitary birds. Only in breeding season they make pair, which continues from May to October. After eggs are laid by the females, it is only sole responsibility of male to incubate the eggs, which takes around 50 days. Once the eggs hatch, males raise the chicks for an additional 9 months. The father teaches the young cassowaries, which have distinctive stripes, to forage. These chicks become independent after 9 months and reach maturity at around 3 years. Cassowaries are mainly frugivorous birds and they like to eat fruit which has fallen to the ground. These birds play a very major role as seed disperser of up to 238 rainforest species. That's why without cassowaries, these rainforests would not be able to survive. Because of their unique digestive system, which contains special types of enzymes, cassowaries can digest some fruits such as vivid cassowary palm, which are poisonous to humans and other animals. When fruit is scarce, these birds also eat snails, small, dead mammals, etc. The Australian population of southern cassowary is listed as endangered under federal and Queensland state legislation. Habitat loss, feral animals eating their eggs, hunting, roadkill, road building, these are the main reasons of their population loss. This bird, the southern cassowary, is listed in the Guinness Book of World Record as the most dangerous bird in the world. Very deadly. Because using their long stiletto-like claws of its inner toes, the cassowary has caused number of deaths by lashing out with its powerful legs. Wild cassowaries are shy in nature. However, and unprovoked attacks are rare. Most attacks have been associated with captive animals or wild individuals defending their nests. These pictures which I am showing you were taken in Sydney Wildlife in Australia, where they try to conserve different Australian animals with very gentle care. I couldn't take the picture of this special bird in wild. So friends, this is the story of Southern Cassowary. Hope you will enjoy this video. Stay tuned with us, subscribe to our channel, gives your valuable likes and comments. Stay happy and healthy in this tough pandemic situation. Bye for now. Thank you.